All right, so we're getting close to the end of this professional development. I've showed you how to turn on the 3D printer. I have taught you how to load the 3D printer. I have taught you how to build name tags in Tinkercad. You have learned how to build a build plate using MakerBot Print, but you may be thinking to yourself, what am I going to do with this beyond name tags? And that is a very valid question. Having the kids design and build something is the ultimate goal, but what can you do as a teacher? How is this going to be useful to you? All right, so I want to show you this last because this is where people kind of take off and run down the rabbit hole. So I want you to open up a new screen and I want you to put www.thingiverse.com. And this website is called Thingiverse. It's a silly little name, but it's got stuff that people have already built on it. So let's take a look. If you go to the search field at the top of Thingiverse, and let's say you you type in math, and you push enter. All right. As you can see, people have built and designed math instruments to use in class, and you go through here. It'll take you days to see every single thing that somebody has designed for math in here, but you can see that people are constantly making things and then sharing it for free. So there's tons of things that you can pick up and use. If you wanted to put in something like reading. All right, so now we have thumb extensions to hold the book open. This right here is what you saw earlier with the dyslexia reading bar. A couple different ways, like if you have a big book that curves, this one curves too, but if it's a worksheet, this one's flat. There's LED lights that hold light on what you're reading, all sorts of different stuff. So whenever you're looking in here, there's whatever subject you want. So personally, I have a Sphero, which is a remote control sphere, and it also allows kids to program with it. It's a nifty little thing. So I put in Sphero, and this one draws markers. This is a chariot that I built for force and motion. We jumped a ramp, and it did not make it through the jump, so don't do that. We printed this and we redesigned it a little bit to make it look like the Batmobile and continued our force and motion. But anything that you really, the limitation is your imagination. So go through Thingiverse and see how many things you can find that would be helpful for you in your classroom.